Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I have two special guests. I have my two daughters, Priscilla and Leah. Say hi.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
So today we're gonna be doing a seafood mukbang.
Yes.
As you can tell, we have crab legs, we have shrimp, corn, potatoes. I have white rice, and then I ordered
some lemons.
I ordered her I think some fries and chicken tenders.
Cause maybe she doesn't like it.
Yeah, maybe she won't like it, so this is what she's gonna be eating. But I'm still gonna let her try some shrimp. Hopefully she does eat some. Yeah, it's yours.
I'm really excited for the crabs because they're my favorite.
I know, we've been waiting for this for at least 30 minutes to come. And I ordered this at Bowling Crab.
I haven't ate nothing, only pancakes in the morning because I want to eat this.
Yeah, so we're gonna start eating now, and then
we're also gonna answer questions. Yeah, you can lick
so what I like to do, I like to clean it, but I don't like the head part. Then I just take it off.
Oh, spicy, guys. Oh,
I'm eating. It's so good.
What's it, mommy? Oh,
shrimp. You want some?
Oh.
Papas.
I love this. I'm just really excited for this. Like, these are like,
It's so hot, by the way.
Oh, spicy, guys. Okay, now I can bite. You see this? Now I'm gonna eat it.
No, like it's hot because I turn off the AC because if I have it on, you're able to hear it on the. But I think I'm gonna turn it on, so sorry for the noise in the background. I forgot to mention there's sausages too.
I'm gonna try sausage this time. What is it? I'm drinking Coke.
Huh? Okay, eat some.
Never mind, I'm gonna try that.
So these are the crab legs. We should have gone like this, like so messy.
I'm gonna get some lemon. Yeah, it's really messy, so I recommend to wear the bibs, like for real. Be warm. Now we're gonna add the lemon. Oh! Add some lemon.
I actually like the sausages.
Sorry if you hear my dog. Lemon. Now you guys see me eat this.
So I bought two different type of shrimp, like one with garlic and the other in the. I forgot which one's the other one. They taste the same.
Okay, I have a question for Mom.
Okay.
Do you prefer crabs or shrimp?
I like shrimp because it's easy to eat, I think. Instead of crab, like
it's hard.
Yeah, you gotta break it, and I feel like shrimps are like more tastier.
Okay, Leah.
Yeah.
I have a question for you. Yeah. Okay. So do you like unicorn or dogs? Unicorn. Okay, she likes unicorns. That's good.
She likes unicorns.
We also bought her a mask. My mom bought her a mask.
First question for Priscilla.
Okay. Mom. Please don't be juicy.
Would you rather be in a cage with lions or a tank with sharks?
Pick lions, because I hate sharks. I just don't like them. I never will. I can't even swim, so lions.
Yeah.
What?
Do you like going to the beach or you like going to the park?
Beach.
You like going to the beach? Cool.
I'm a beach. What the? Nothing happened. See that? It broke. Huh? I'm gonna try the corn. Baba. It's yummy and it's hot and it's spicy. Delicious.
I'm just enjoying the food.
It's really hot. I'm tired, guys. Okay.
You're tired? Hot.
Okay, question. Guys, Leah, I have a question for you. Okay, So do you like mommy or Lala? Mommy.
Yay.
Okay, Mom. Do you like Cheetos or Takis?
Hot Cheetos. I never liked Takis. The Takis are like so really spicy. They taste like lemon, like too much lemon.
Bless you. It's a guy.
Alright. Would you rather be attacked by rats or be attacked by birds?
Oh my god, that's my worst fear. Birds, I guess. Birds still, but.
So we're gonna ask Leah. Are you happy you're having a baby brother?
Yeah.
You're happy?
Happy.
Wow. Where's your baby brother? Yes. By the way, I'm 5 months.
If you guys saw the video, she's pregnant.
Yep.
And we're having a boy. I'm really happy. And it's gonna be a lot of changes.
Yep.
We never had a boy.
We're all girls.
Yeah.
In the house.
All girls. Why? Why? Okay. Go, mommy.
Yeah. Do you like Lala or Zafiro? By the way, Zafiro is my sister. So who do you like, Lala or Zafiro?
Lala. Yay!
She picked her. Okay.
Ow.
Would you rather eat Taco Bell for the rest of your life or McDonald's?
Taco Bell. I don't like McDonald's. I kind of like McDonald's, but sometimes you don't get your right order. So, Taco Bell. I got on my teeth. Okay, so rice. Give me.
Okay. You're not hungry?
Yeah. Sorry, guys.
You want to try the shrimp?
Ooh. No. And she said, "Oh, I really want her to try shrimp." Okay, getting another shrimp because shrimps are really good.
I'm gonna try it with a little bit of salt and pepper.
Ooh. Pepper. No. Lala. I know that face that she wants me to try. I know her. Thanks. Leah, I have a question for you. Yeah. Do you like broccoli or corn? Broccoli or corn? Broccoli. Broccoli, okay? Mom. Okay. Okay, would you like to live in a house or an apartment? And give your reasons.
I prefer a house. Cause
Mine?
yeah.
Okay, thanks.
A house but with a backyard. Like I want like a nice backyard with grass. And I want a pool. Even though I don't know how to swim, but I still like prefer a house. It's much bigger. Okay?
No.
I think she's full because she drank a bottle before before eating. Yeah, chicken.
No.
Alright, would you rather be a donkey or a giraffe?
A giraffe. I love giraffes.
Yeah. Do you want to be a fish or a bird?
Fish. Fish.
You want to be a fish?
Yeah, big one. I literally want to be a fish. I like to be a bird. But I don't like birds. A bird and fish.
So how do you feel that you're having a brother?
It's exciting because I never had a brother. Bird. I thought when she was pregnant, I thought it was gonna be a girl. Can I get a boy?
Boy? He's eating.
Baby, so I'm just really excited.
Yeah. Thank you. Yum. So you're happy then?
Yeah.
Well, I'm really enjoying this.
Spicy. About the same. Fish.
So good. So you done with the questions?
No. Would you like to swim with sharks or walk with lions? Like around you.
Walk with lions.
Why?
Well, I don't think lions because never mind. We're sharks. Because I think if you were sharks, they won't eat you unless like they smell like if you're bleeding or something. So I don't think they will attack you if you're in the middle of the ocean with sharks. But lions, if they see you walking, they'll probably attack you.
Probably true. Leah, I have a question for you. Toy Story or zombies?
Yeah, what do you like?
Zombies or Toy Story? Toy Story.
You say Toy Story. I like Toy Story. Toy Story. Alright, so we're gonna finish eating and we'll get back to you guys.
Bye. Bye. For now. Ready for food.
We're eating potatoes.
Oh my god. Your mom is good.
The baby keeps moving a lot.
Because it's spicy.
Maybe because he likes it, because I'm loving it right now.
Mom, where's Mom? You're not drinking water.
So this was for the crab, so you could break it, so it could be easier. But next thing you know, look, it broke. I think because I bought it at 99. Yeah, this is so messy. But I think I'm eating messy because I'm in my house. But if I would have been like, if I would have been in the restaurant, I don't think I would be eating like this messy.
I know.
But it's because I'm at home.
Okay, I have a question.
Well, look at this one.
Oh my god. I have a question. Do you prefer an iPhone or a Samsung?
Samsung.
Why?
One, because with the iPhone you can download songs.
What?
You gotta buy songs.
Buy some?
And with a Samsung, you just go on the website. You just download any song you want.
That's why you have YouTube, guys. Worth it or no?
Oh my god, it's gonna be hard.
And it better not be fine.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa. One more question.
What?
Do you prefer the corn or the potato?
The potatoes.
Yay! Yay! So guys, we're almost done with the video. And done with the food.
We actually finished it all, you guys. Look.
Okay,
Okay, guys. Well, I'm gonna be closing the video now. I think we're done here. We ate everything, you guys, except for like some potatoes and then the corn.
We're gonna finish it after the video. After like the video's done, we're gonna finish it.
Yeah, I think I'm done already.
I'm not done.
You're full?
No.
Are you full?
Yeah.
Tell them yes, you're full.
I'm full, guys. I'm
She's
not full.
full. Alright, guys.
Okay, guys, my beautiful mom will say.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. I see you guys in my next video.
So, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. So don't forget to like, so you can see more of my mom's videos. So my mom would like to say, bye guys.
Oh, bye guys.
Bye guys.